Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy starburst ornament. So let's get started. To make these ornaments, you're going to need some paper towel rolls or some bathroom tissue rolls, and you can just mark them off in strips. You can make them as wide as you like, and you're going to cut them out. And I have cut out 8 groups of 5, so you'll need 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for each section, and I have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and I have my glue gun and have a bit of water here so I don't burn my fingers, and I'm going to glue my sections like this. So I'll need 5, so I'm going to start with 1, and I'm going to place 1 on each side about 1/4 inch down. So do that on each side, like that. Now down at this end. And then I'm just going to place a little bit of glue there and there. Wet your finger if you don't want to burn yourself. Just hold that until it dries. So now you're going to take the next one and you're going to place that. It's approximately 1/4 inch down. Come back down to this end and put a little dab of hot glue. Wet your fingers, and that's how that will look. I'm just going to put one more little dab of glue just to hold that in like that. So now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to finish all of these. Okay, I have all 8 sections made, and now I'm just going to start gluing them together. So pick one up, put some hot glue, and then wet your fingers. And hold those together like that until the glue dries. Go to the next one, hot glue, place the next one in, and I'm just going to keep working around. Okay, I have all 8 glued together, so now you're just going to spread them out, bring these 2 together. So now I'm going to put hot glue there, and just hold that until that glue sets up, like that, and then just use your finger to spread out the loops, like that. And now I'm just going to cover the center here. So I'm just going to take a little plastic cover, trace around it, cut it out, like that, and I'm going to hot glue that, 1 on each side. And I'm going to spray it with some gold paint. And I passed a length of jute through one of the loops, and so that will be the hanger. And now if you like, you can add something to the center. And I have some of these stick-on rhinestones that I got at the dollar store, so I'm just going to attach some of these to the center. And there you have a beautiful ornament that you can put on the Christmas tree or hang in the window. And if you visit my other channel, you can find out how to make these ornaments made the same way. This one has been brushed with glue and then sprinkled with glitter. This one is a fancy cross and another gold snowflake. This little angel, that's a simple little snowflake. And there's a fancy one that has been glittered. And you can also learn how to make this ornament with a juice can lid and an old sock. So I hope you'll visit my other channel. I will put the link below. And I hope you enjoy making today's Christmas starburst ornament. You can have a tree full of these at very minimal cost. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to visit my other YouTube channel.